Hello 9th standard students, it's my immense pleasure to meet you all once again. Good. Today we are going to discuss history, lesson number 1, evolution of humans and society, prehistoric period, and part 4. Shall we step into the topic? Good. Yes. First of all, lower Paleolithic cultures. What does mean by Paleolithic, children? Paleo, P-A-L-E-O, paleo means old, and L-I-T-H, lith, already in last class I told lith means stone, so old stone age or old stone age techniques, so that Paleolithic is nothing but old stone age. So here we are going to discuss about old stone age people's culture, isn't it now? Yes. Now our human ancestors flaked larger stones and made different types of designs, which is including of hand axes. What is that hand axes, children? Hand axes is nothing but a stone with fixed with handle. Look at here. This is a stone, children. This stone fixed with the handle is known as hand axes. So these types of tools or these types of stones were found in Africa, Asia and Europe. So this culture is known as the Paleolithic, that is called as the lower Paleolithic culture. Next, there is two important tools in the lower Paleolithic culture. What are they? Namely, Acheulean tools. Acheulean tools and bifaces. Shall we explain about this too? Good. What is Acheulean tools, children? Acheulean is nothing but the hand axe tools. Already I told no, children, hand axe is nothing but a stone fixed with handle is known as hand axes. So this type of tools were known as Acheulean tools. And why do we say this is Acheulean? Yes, these types of Acheulean tools were found at the place of Acheules in France. So இது கிடைச்ச இடமே நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்ச இடமே இது எங்க அப்படினா Acheules அப்படிங்கற பிரான்ஸ்ல தான் நம்ம இத கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். So such tools were found in France, especially the town of Acheules. So it is namely called as Acheulean tools. Okay. And also this type of tools were found in India. Where they? Yes, in India, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. And next, the second one is bifaces. What is bifaces, children? Bi. What is mean by B-I, bi? Bi is nothing but two. Okay. Faces, mugangal. So, ரெண்டு பக்கமும் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இந்த டூல்ஸ் வந்து we can use both sides. That is known as bifaces. So, bifaces tools have flaking on both sides. What does mean by flaking, children? Flaking is nothing but, yes, cut into small pieces or செதிலா cut பண்றது. That is known as flakes. Okay. So, that bifaces can use both sides for flaking. This is known as bifaces tools. And these such bifaces tools were very earliest, nearly around 1.8 million years ago. And also from this it was proved their cognitive knowledge. Whose cognitive knowledge? Yes, prehistorical person's cognitive knowledge. What is that cognitive knowledge, children? Is nothing but அறிவாற்றல். So இந்த மாதிரியான tools எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. இந்த மாதிரி tools எல்லாம் the people were used in those period such that we come to know their cognitive knowledge. Next topic is subsistences necessities of prehistoric persons or prehistoric humans. What is the meaning for subsistences? Yes, is nothing but நிலையான தேவைகள். ஒரு மனுஷனுக்கு நிலையான தேவைகள் அப்படின்றது தேவைப்படுது இல்லையா? Yes, as well as here food and water. Food and water were the subsistences necessities of prehistoric human. Yes, next, and the people were raised their voice and used some signs and sign languages. Because the communication is lacking, the lacking of communication, they used some signs and signs, they used some signs and symbols, and they were very intelligent. How will come to know how they are very intelligent? Yes, they were very intelligent to select stones as raw material. So எந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டோன்ஸ் எல்லாம் raw material, எந்த மாதிரி டூல்ஸ்க்கு என்ன மாதிரியான raw materials வேணும் அப்படின்றத செலக்ட் பண்றதுல such a talented people are called prehistorical persons. And also they made design tools, they made different variety of design tools for their needs. And also they used hammer stones to make, to flake the rocks. பெரிய பெரிய பாறைகளை உடைக்கிறதுக்காக கைப்பிடி வச்சிருந்த hammers, I mean சுத்தியல்கள் எல்லாம் வந்து பயன்படுத்தி இருக்காங்க. So from this we come to know their how knowledge, how intelligence they were. Next, people, I mean especially the prehistorical people were used these three types of rocks. Can we see that? Yes, raw material, a big block stones for flaking or making tools. பெரிய பெரிய பாறைகளை அவங்க வந்து டூல்ஸா வந்து உருவாக்கி இருக்காங்க. So a big blocks making tools is known as raw materials. And what is core? Core is nothing but small chips from the raw material, I mean small chips from the big block stones. So அந்த big block stones flake பண்ணும்போது சின்ன சின்ன pieces கிடைக்குது இல்லையா, அந்த pieces நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னா core அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Then what is mean by flakes? A very small pieces, a very small chips from the core is known as flakes. Okay, understood children? First, a big block stones, prehistorical peoples were made a tools, they were used tools, and from the big blocks they made small chips, and from the small chips they made a very small chips or very small pieces known as flakes. Next topic is Middle Paleolithic culture. So during this period or during this Middle Paleolithic culture, prehistorical persons were used lithic technology. What is the lithic technology? Already I told her. Lith means stone. So they were used some lots of stone technology. So that is known as lithic technology. Especially that lithic technology were found in Africa. It was found in Africa, and especially Homo erectus. Already last video we were discussed about the Homo erectus, no children? Yes, that Homo erectus were existed during this period. Which period? Yes, Middle Paleolithic period. Yes, that Homo erectus were also existed in this period. And during this period, the hand axes, I told no children, hand axes. Yes, a stone fixed with handle is known as hand axes. So during this period, that hand axes were turned into attractive design tools. So it was suddenly, all of a sudden it was turned into attractive design tools. And the people of this period in the sense the people of Middle Paleolithic period. So this period, the people were called Neanderthalans. So that such people were lived during this period. And next, they buried died people and did some rituals. So during this period, the people were started to bury dead people and did some rituals also. So these are the things in the Middle Paleolithic culture. And Levalloisian tools or Levalloisian technology. Is that Levallois, children? Levallois is nothing but it is a name of town. Look at here, it is name of town in France. Levallois is nothing but it was name of the town in France. So these such types of tools were found in Levallois, a town, especially it was in France. So it was named Levalloisian tools, and these tools found in Europe and part of Asia. So that it was called Levalloisian tools. Next, Upper Paleolithic culture. So So Upper Paleolithic culture. So the culture which succeeded the Middle Paleolithic, then it is called Upper Paleolithic. So Middle Paleolithic அடுத்து வரக்கூடியது, அதை succeed பண்ணி வரக்கூடியது தான் நம்ம எது சொல்றோம், Upper Paleolithic culture அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். And during this period, innovation tools technology was introduced. Definitely, innovation tools technology was introduced, especially during this period. And also, long blades and burins were produced, and number of paintings, numerous paintings and art objects also, such peoples were used during this period. Burin, in last slide I told no children, long blades and burins were produced the prehistorical persons, especially in the Upper Paleolithic period. So what is the burin, children? Burin is nothing but a stone made chisel. தமிழ்ல நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா உளி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. உளியோட எட்ஜ் எப்படி இருக்கும், ஷார்ப்பா இருக்கும். அதோட எட்ஜ் வந்து ஷார்ப்பா இருக்கிறதுனால தான் நம்ம அதை என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், உளி அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். அதே மாதிரி தான் ஒரு ஸ்டோனை ஒரு உளி மாதிரி வந்து அவங்க வந்து தயார் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So a stone made chisel with sharp edges, that is known as burin. Yes, and the people of this period, I mean Upper Paleolithic period, the people of Upper Paleolithic period were known as Cro-Magnons, and the people of this period, they were used horns and ivory. Horns na enna kana, kombu இல்லையா, and ivory na யானையுடைய தந்தம். So இந்த மாதிரியான ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்லயும் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்து செஞ்சாங்க. And especially Upper Paleolithic period people were just used horns and ivory. And even that Upper Paleolithic people, no children, they wore cloths and cooked food, and also they dead were placed in the burials with folded their hands and over their chest. கைகளை இப்படி மடிச்சு அவங்களுடைய மார்புக்கு மேல வச்சுட்டு அந்த மாதிரி தான் வந்து buried, அதாவது புதைச்சிருக்காங்க. இறந்த மனிதர்களை அந்த ஒரு ஆங்கிள் தான் அவங்க வந்து புதைச்சிருக்காங்க. அவங்களுடைய பழக்கமா அது வந்து இருந்திருக்கு. And even this period they developed languages, and also they used microlithic stones. Microlithics means குட்டி குட்டியான சின்ன சின்ன stones. It's very very small stones. So that small stones were used by the people of Upper Paleolithic cultures. Thank you very much children, and see you on next class.
I am V. Rishikeshava. I am S. Darshan. I am K. Rutika. I am M. Ritika.